BJP's Agni Mitra Paul is an MLA in Asansol, in an area that's dominated in that sense by the TMC, but she is somebody who's been a strong presence here since 2021. Uh, Agni Mitra ji, I just want to start by asking you, what is your main campaign plank here in Asansol? You've been an MLA for 5 years. You're facing a strong opponent from the TMC.
My opponent is not strong. My opponent is Mamta Banerjee, not ABCD, whoever it is. And the opponent is not strong because the people of Bengal haven't got anything from this opponent, from TMC, from Mamta Banerjee. We only got, promises which were not kept. So, my promises, whatever she couldn't do, everything that she couldn't do, we are going to do that. We are going to get jobs, which, Mamta Banerjee promised. Double chakri debo, double jobs. But every household has, young generation who are not getting jobs and who have gone outside Bengal.
May I then ask you, ma'am, that when you talk about jobs and employment, isn't the culpability, like your opponents could then perhaps argue, that the culpability belongs to both the center and the state? When you look at industries in your constituency, many of them are shut. Many of them are central units too.
Getting an industry with central government's help, Mamta Banerjee will never give you land. 63 railway projects have come to a standstill because she is not giving land. Only because if central government gets brownie points. We are not getting land for, doing our international fencing.
The TMC would perhaps respond to that by saying that this is more rhetoric and that at the end of the day, they want to work with the center. It is the center that creates impediments.
No. Other non-BJP states might want to work with Modi ji, but Mamta Banerjee doesn't want to work with Modi ji.
You are in a place where there are many industries. What would be your plan in terms of the representative to get some of them open or maybe at least more employment in the area?
See, I am part of the manifesto committee. I am the co-convener of the manifesto committee. And না
আমাদের তিনজন
এখানে বুথ প্রেসিডেন্ট কে আছে?
एसआर नाम एखोनो आसेनी हमारे
आपका नाम नहीं आया?
नहीं आया है ना। तीनों आदमी है, तीनों आदमी का वोटर लिस्ट में 2000 साल में है, अभी तक नाम नहीं आया है। बहुत प्रयास किया है अभी तक।
এটা কোন ওয়ার্ড?
ওই ওয়ার্ডটা কোন ওয়ার্ড? এইটা তো ভুল। অবজেকশন করব। আমাদের আপনাদের নয় সবার।
তাহলে ওনার এসআইআর এর ফর্ম হয়নি কেন? ঠিক আছে 42 হোক আর 40 হোক,
সরকার চেঞ্জ করুক, তারপর সব প্রতিবাদ হবে।
প্রতিবারের কথা হচ্ছে না এখানে। কি করবে? আমি বলবো সুদীপের সাথে মাসিমার কথা বলি দে। সুদীপের সাথে মাসিমার কথা বলা, মাসিমার নাম্বারটা তুই নে, সুদীপের সাথে কথা বলা।
I know we were talking about jobs. So this is a contentious issue, isn't it? This SIR thing, there is so much criticism. Somebody in front of you saying that their names are not in the SIR, people being struck off. The TMC is alleging that it is at the behest of the BJP. What do you say?
BJP didn't provide the officials who worked for EC. It was given by Mamta Banerjee.
But you had a micro-observer situation here. You had judicial scrutiny after courts.
Micro-observers came much later. When already, the mess up has been done. All these people, the BLO, the ERO, the RO, everybody, AERO, everybody is state government officers. And they have been threatened not to upload the names. So why blame BJP now?
The TMC just yesterday has gone big saying that you are...
My voters' names have been deleted.
The TMC has gone big yesterday saying that, the BJP is trying to get voters from outside to register as voters in the state. That's what Abhishek Banerjee and the TMC have been saying since yesterday.
What they are
so they've got voters from... You are getting voters from outside to register under Form 6 and the Election Commission is colluding with the BJP.
All nonsense because Abhishek Banerjee knows that, and not only Abhishek Banerjee, TMC and the alliance partners, India alliance partners, if they win, it's all okay with EVM, Election Commission. If they lose, they have, 1001, allegations.
But in your opinion, ma'am, what do you make of this SIR situation? Is it ideal that there are so many voters, whether they are of any religion or any community, that they may end up getting disenfranchised so soon to the elections? They may not have a vote, like that old lady there.
Yes, it might happen and it's happening. But the intention of the election commission was right, because we definitely don't want Mamta Banerjee and the TMC or TMC like parties to win by these fake voters, dead voters, duplicate voters, shifted voters, and Rohingyas and infiltrators, Bangladeshi infiltrators.
If I may
How
ask
do
you-
we allow these people to stay in our voter list and get all the benefits of the scheme?
But if I may ask you, where are these Rohingyas? When the election commissioners are asked, they said we have no evidence. If you have the evidence, where are the lists? Where are these people?
Your
They may be in
evidence-
rhetoric, but where are they on paper?
They have fled.
Where?
They have fled to Bangladesh when SIR was announced. There on the camera.
In that sense, your opponents may then ask that isn't it the centre's culpability? The BSF is a central force. If there is infiltration, it is also the centre's problem and culpability.
To some extent, it's a sector's problem because there is a porous border of more than 500 kilometers.
The BSF is there, ma'am.
Of
They are
course,
there.
It's the fault of the BSF if somebody comes in, but the porous border is there. Why aren't you giving me land? I'm ready to do the fencing. 1001 times HM has, Honorable HM Amit Shah ji has requested.
Okay. So I'll also ask you, ma'am, that I've seen some of your campaigning. It relies a lot on Hindutva also in that sense, on, religion. But some would argue that there's not enough when it comes to jobs, employment. I mean, is rhetoric, has that taken center stage?
Hindutva is important, but jobs is the most important thing.
Yeah.
Hindutva is important, but house, jobs, security for women. The most important thing is security for the people of Bengal. First, we need to have a land policy. There is no land policy.
Yeah.
First, we'll have the land policy in place, and then we'll get industries. There is fertile land, there is infertile land. We will have industries in the infertile land. We will have the planning. And we are BJP is a very pro-industry government. So we want to get industries as well as agriculture.
The TMC says you're not pro-farmer, you're only pro-industry.
We are very pro-farmer. That is the reason,
You are?
Of course, that is the reason every other state, is getting Kisan Samman Nidhi and subsidy on water, electricity, manure, everything.
Tapas Banerjee of the TMC is taking on Agnimitra Pal on Asansol South. He's been an MLA from a different constituency in the last term. He's now contesting from here. जो अग्निमित्रा पॉल कह रही थी उसका मैं आपसे जवाब चाहता हूँ. उनका ये कहना है कि यहाँ जो इंडस्ट्रियल डीके which is a big problem in your seat. She says that it is your culpability, Mamta Banerjee's culpability and the TMC's responsibility. आप लोग की जवाबदेही है. आप क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए यहाँ पर सबसे बड़ा इंडस्ट्री जिसका है वो है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ISP सेल इसको, और एक है ईस्टर्न कोलफील्ड्स लिमिटेड जो सत्ता पर दिल्ली में बैठी हुई है. जिस पार्टी का वो पार्टी का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है इस क्षेत्र में. तो 5 साल में जनता उनसे पूछती है कि इतना बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अब एक पार्ट होके अब कितना इंडस्ट्री, कितना सिस्टर कंसर्न, कितना एंसिलरी यूनिट आप यहाँ पर बैठे हैं. आरोप प्रत्यारोप से कोई काम नहीं चलता. आरोप तो आदमी देते हैं, लेकिन जो सत्ता पर बैठे हुए हैं उसको आरोप शोभा नहीं देती.
आप सीजन पॉलिटिशियन, यू बीन एन MLA मल्टीपल टाइम्स. अग्निमित्रा भी एक बार MLA रह चुकी हैं. आप लोग सब लोग यू आर एक्सपीरियंस पॉलिटिशियंस. फिर ऐसा क्यों है कि देयर इज सो मच जॉबलेसनेस एंड माइग्रेशन फ्रॉम दिस स्टेट? आई मीन ऑल ऑफ यू एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हैव टू टेक रिस्पांसिबिलिटी, राइट? So what are you doing in terms of trying to ensure that you can influence either the state government or even the center perhaps to ensure that more jobs come to this place?
देखिए जॉब होने से आपका इंडस्ट्री होना चाहिए, लेकिन जो इंडस्ट्री होने का जिसका करना चाहिए और जो कर सकते हैं ये तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट कर सकते हैं, उसका तो इसको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. लेकिन वो क्या करते हैं, नजरअंदाज करते हैं. वो मैं एक तो बोलता है ना, ये लड़का को मैं देखना नहीं चाहता हूँ, ऐसा एक उसका मन में बैठ गया है.
आप लोग की पार्टी का एक बड़ा प्लैंक और कैंपेन SIR भी है. आप लोग SIR के ऊपर बहुत कुछ कह रहे हैं. उनसे मैंने ये सवाल किया तो उनका ये कहना है कि आप लोग SIR को अपोज इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि आप लोग चाहते हैं कि आपका वोट बैंक और इन्फिल्ट्रेटर्स आपके साथ रहें. ये उनका कहना है. दैट्स व्हाट शी एंड द BJP हैव टू से. हाउ डू यू रिस्पॉन्ड?
देखिए कितने इन्फिल्ट्रेटर को पता चला ये आज तक किसी को पता नहीं है. ना सुप्रीम कोर्ट को पता है, ना कोई जनता को पता है. और ये तो इम्प्लीटर नहीं, आप तो देख रहे हैं SIR में जो करते करते तो 40-45 आदमी मर गया। मैं उधर भी नहीं जा रहा हूँ। जिसका 4 पीढ़ी यहाँ का बासिंदा है उसका भी नाम बात जा रहा है, वो भी एडजुडिकेटेड में रह गया है, जिसका वो क्या जवाब देगी। और हम लोग तो ऐसा नहीं है जो पहली बार हो रहा है। पहले हम लोग को इन्यूमरेटर डोर टू डोर आके इन्यूमरेशन करके चला जाते थे। उस टाइम तो वोट का नाम लेकर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था। लेकिन ये तो तुम्हारा ड्यूटी है, डेथ वोटर, ये तो इलेक्शन कमिश्नर का ड्यूटी है। डेथ वोटर तुम सालों साल यहाँ रख दिया है और उसका काटने के बजाय सही वोटर को तुम काट रहे हो। इसका असर समूचा वर्ग का ऊपर पड़ा।
The TMC MLA here rebutting what the BJP, the TMC MLA contestant here rebutting what the BJP MLA said, and he says that it is also the centre's culpability when it comes to the lack of jobs and the lack of employment broadly in this region.